subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Razer has continued to shift the bar higher in its development of truly wireless earbuds. Its 2019 model premiered low-latency Bluetooth mode for gaming applications and continues to develop more impressive features with the latest Hammerhead TWS earbuds with active noise cancellation and RGB lighting. Hammerhead earbuds offer sufficiently decent active noise cancelling functionality. Razer says the device is able to shield even the noise from an airplane overhead, and several other sounds that could affect the listening experience. Using the Razer Audio app, the user can customize the color and brightness of the Chrome RGB. Device supports Bluetooth version 5.2 and has a battery life of 6.5 hours on a full charge and normal use. Battery life is reduced to 4 hours when ANC and RGB are enabled. Battery life is further extended when connected to the charging case and can offer up to 32 hours of entertainment and playback. In terms of battery functionality, the new Hammerhead TWS earbuds significantly beat its predecessor with a difference of 19 hours for the new model. New Razer Hammerhead earbuds with RGB lighting are available via the Razer website for $130. We expect the device to be subsequently available in more online and even offline outlets. Razer has not indicated the global availability and shipping locations for the device.